The Grahamstown Field Band was established in June 2012 with the idea of teaching children from different backgrounds and schools in Grahamstown music and life skills. It not only teaches children these skills, but also helps them to form relationships with field band members. The different sections are the percussion, pit percussion, brass and dancing sections. Children can choose what section interests them.
The whole idea was brought to Grahamstown by Margie Keaton and Ishmael Mohammed from the National Arts Festival office. Each tutor deals with a specific section, so there'll be a tutor there's a tutor for the brass section, a tutor for the percussion section, a tutor for the pit percussion section, and a dance tutor that deals with the colour guard. Teach them life skills, basic things like timekeeping skills, good manners, what it means to have good manners, equality, that boys and girls are all the same. We teach them respect. They learn to respect their tutors, they learn to respect their peers when they're working together. So not only are they learning a musical skill, but they're also learning life skills that they can use on a daily basis.
There's a lot of advantages that goes with the rehearsals and stuff with field band. Firstly, I think musical skills, because not all of our children have the privilege of learning an instrument or having someone to teach them to dance and so. And then also, I know they have a program where they have life skills sessions for the children. So musically and then the life skills.
We have four sessions a week, and each band, in inverted commas, has two rehearsals a week that are 2 hours long.
It builds relationships. For example, when maybe I don't speak with a field band member, then at the end, when we're on a trip or we're practicing, we started to communicate with each other because they made us to communicate with each other.
I've always wanted to give back, which is one of the reasons why I came back to Grahamstown actually. And this seemed like the perfect project. I love music and I wanted to work with the communities. As I say, I grew up in Grahamstown, and I wanted to get an idea for myself of where Grahamstown was heading, what are our children doing.